Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your PC meets Windows 11 requirements, TPM2, 0, secure boot enabled, and sufficient RAM and disk. Once done, make a fast backup of your documents, desktop, and app data to an external drive or cloud so you keep data intact. Then update your current Windows and drivers to the latest cumulative updates. This reduces compatibility problems during the upgrade. Make sure you free about 20-30 GB of space and plug in the laptop so the installer won't pause. You now run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or mount the ISO and start setup. Choose the option that keeps personal files and apps so the installer migrates your data automatically. That's how you avoid a clean install. Disconnect printers and external drives to prevent driver confusion, but keep internet on so Windows can fetch required drivers and activation info. During the process, watch prompts and accept offered driver updates. If a step stalls, pause and check logs before proceeding to avoid corrupting user profiles. You finish by signing into your account and validating that files, settings, and applications are present and behaving normally. If a single app misbehaves, reinstall it. If a file is missing, restore it from the backup you made earlier. Once everything looks good, run Windows Update again to capture post-upgrade driver and security fixes. Troubleshooting tip: if the upgrade fails or you see serious errors, use Windows Recovery's Go Back option or run a repair install from the ISO to recover without wiping data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.